What's up, guys? How have you all been? So, the festive season is here, and I'm sure a lot of you are already busy decorating your house, making sweets, dressing yourself up, enjoying the festivities. But here's the thing, guys, when it comes to the festive season and you want to look our best selves, the first thing we tend to do is to reach out to makeup. Now, makeup is awesome, don't get me wrong. I'm myself wearing lipstick, kajal, eyeliner. Here's the thing, guys, when you want to wear makeup, here's what we really need to understand. The same makeup products can look so good on you, and the same makeup products can sit very badly. It all depends on your skin. If your skin is not clean, if your skin is not hydrated, if your skin is not oozing radiance from within, the makeup will not sit the same way. It may even look cakey, it may not look nice, right? You might have even seen this, two people wearing the exact same makeup products, but one will be looking so much more polished and the other one not so much. So skincare is still very important. Like personally for me, my own skincare completely went out of the window. I was so busy a couple of weeks back and my skin started looking like this. And do you see like the difference how my skin is looking now? It's a huge difference. And when you're talking about skincare, it's also important to understand this is not like a quick fix. It's not like an overnight formula. This is something that takes its own time. So you have to give it time. So start right away if you want to look your best selves. So in today's video, I'll be talking about what I have been doing. There's also a one brand skincare routine video because all the products I'm using today are from the L'Oreal Paris skincare range, and each and every single one of these products I've actually talked about them before. The idea is to I'll also show you how to layer them up properly to create a nice moisture sandwich. Basically, if you want to understand how to use your skincare products, we go from the most lightweight products to the most heavyweight products. Okay, so more on that later. What are the products we'll actually be using in the skincare routine? Well, first we have the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cleanser. Then we have the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. Next, we have the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And finally, the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel Creme. I'll show you how to use them one by one. I'll tell you a little bit about the ingredients and what they do and everything, so you get a clarity on this and what this really does to your skin. Okay, so yes, let's look at this super awesome routine to get you beautiful skin this festive season, and let's get started. So starting with the first step, which is obviously cleansing the skin with the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cleanser. Now because it contains hyaluronic acid, it actually plumps up the skin with hydration. It's a rich, creamy, ultra fine foamy formula that penetrates deep into the pores to thoroughly clean the skin's impurities as well as the makeup residue. The gentle gel technology of this product helps to clean the skin without drying it out, so you look fresh, hydrated, and over time of use, the skin also starts to feel smoother, more plumped up, and youthfully radiant and so amazing. I love that this formula is also dermatologically tested. Now, while the skin is still a little bit damp, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. It's a nice liquid skincare formula that penetrates much deeper into your skin's layers, and you just have to take a few drops on your palm, spread it across. Don't massage this, just spread it across and apply it directly. So yes, no makeup pads, no cotton pads required to use this. I love that it contains salicylic acid, which mildly exfoliates your skin, removes the dead skin cells to refine the pores and accelerating your skin renewal process. The water-like texture, like you can see, makes it very easy to absorb into the skin, and because it's lightweight, non-sticky, and leaves absolutely no residue, it's ultra light on the skin. It absorbs quickly and is great even for those with acne-prone skin. Now, after waiting for a few seconds, we're gonna go ahead and use the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Once again, there's a product I have reviewed before. The 1.5% is actually the right concentration of hyaluronic acid in a serum. It's the perfect formula and it increases the skin radiance easily by 42%. I love that this again is a lightweight formula with no alcohol, no parabens, no fragrance, and absolutely no color. The hyaluronic acid molecules can actually hold up to 1000 times its weight in water, like a lot of you probably already know, which is why it's also known as a moisture magnet. And do you see how quickly my skin is actually absorbing it all? This is really good because it helps to maintain the moisture in the skin while keeping your skin so beautifully hydrated. And for the last and final step, we will be using the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Gel Creme with its micro hyaluronic acid molecules which help penetrate deeper into the skin's layers to give you a more visible, long-lasting result. It's a nice translucent pearly gel. You just need to take a pea-sized amount and massage this very gently in circular motions all over your skin. Because it's so lightweight, non-sticky, it smoothly glides across the skin, again absorbing very quickly into the skin, leaving a nice velvety sensation, a beautiful feel behind. It also helps to ensure that the makeup sits well on the skin, because right now this is how the skin is feeling. It's feeling absolutely loved and so amazing. Personally, I love the fact that this formula, it sits so beautifully on the skin, and it's perfect for the Indian weather. And here's the thing, guys, because it contains hyaluronic acid and the way this product has been structured and designed, not only does it actually help to hold everything, we use a micro essence, we used the serum, so it actually holds everything together inside the skin without letting it all escape. It also, because it contains hyaluronic acid, it also comes with its own goodness to just kind of give you much more amplified results. So I love the fact that we are using so many products with hyaluronic acid, which, like I just said, is a moisture magnet. It holds so much of water, and salicylic acid. So why are these ingredients important? Like I just said, salicylic acid is something which cleans up your skin. It cleans up your pores. It's perfect for all skin types, by the way, and it's an ingredient that dermatologists absolutely love, So salicylic acid is something which goes into deeper layers of your skin, and it pulls out all the bad stuff, leaving your skin much cleaner, revealing a much cleaner skin within, okay? And once you start using salicylic acid regularly, your skin starts dealing better with acne. Your acne starts fading, your blemishes start fading, your skin repairs and heals itself also much better, because now your skin is actually clean. It's not dealing with all the clogged pores. So salicylic acid is absolutely fantastic. And salicylic acid with hyaluronic acid, these two ingredients, by the way, can be worked out, can be used together very safely, okay? Dermatologists again love hyaluronic acid, and they often prescribe this formula, hyaluronic acid for people with dry, dehydrated skin. And hydrated skin is something which is always preferable. Your hydrated skin will look more fresh, it looks more plumped up, so why not? So this is a very simple routine, like you see: cleansing, micro essence, serum, and then finally a moisturizer, right? The gel creme. And all of these products, because they are so lightweight and they're so easy to absorb into the skin, it doesn't feel uncomfortable. After you're done with the process, the skin actually feels happy and rejuvenated. So ideally, this is a routine that you should be following twice a day. Now, in the beginning, I had as a part of your AM/PM routine, obviously. So let me just show you how my skin looks without any of my kajal and eyeliner and lipstick at all. So okay, initially this is how my skin was looking before I got started. This is how my skin is looking now, and here's a little festive look that I just created for you guys. So this is how my skin is looking with makeup. Okay, so let me just show you this comparison again. This is how my skin is looking right now without makeup. Personally, I love how my skin is looking, and this is how my skin is looking with makeup. So obviously, with makeup, if I do want to wear makeup, which I think I will want to on the day of the festival, I will want to wear foundation. The foundation just sits beautifully. It works beautifully on the skin, right? So I'll share all the links in the description box below, but before ending this video, let me just clarify something. The L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence actually comes in 3 sizes, okay? So just so you know, it comes in 3 sizes. One is a 130 ml bottle, a 65 ml bottle, and also a 22 ml bottle, which by the way is a very nice travel friendly size. And then the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. This comes in 2 sizes, the 15 ml, which retails for rupees 499, and the 30 ml, which I also have. This retails for rupees 999. So I will share all the links, all the details for all the products that I've shared in today's video in the description box, where you can totally check them out. And guys, if you still have any queries, please share them with me in the comment section below. I would love to get back to you all. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications. Keep coming back to Superwoz Style for more, and enjoy your festivities, guys. Have lots and lots of fun. This is such a great time of the year, so don't hold yourself back. Have lots of fun, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.